You finally landed a great job. Your paycheck arrives every month. Your savings are slowly growing, and life finally feels a little more stable. But there's one question that just won't leave your mind. Should you keep renting, or is it finally time to buy your own home? If you've been asking yourself the same thing, trust me, you're not alone. Right now, millions of Americans are struggling with this exact decision because today's housing market isn't what it used to be. Home prices are still incredibly high. Mortgage interest rates remain much higher than they were just a few years ago. And for many people, buying a home has become more difficult than ever. Let's look at two people living in the same city. Ethan decides to rent a modern apartment for $2,100 a month. Emily, on the other hand, buys a similar home. Her monthly mortgage payment is $2,900. At first, it probably sounds like Emily made the smarter financial move, but here's what most people completely overlook. A mortgage isn't the only cost of owning a home. Every single month, Emily also has to pay property taxes, homeowner's insurance, ongoing maintenance, and whenever something unexpectedly breaks, she's responsible for the repair bill too. If the air conditioner stops working, Emily pays for it. If the roof starts leaking, that's her expense. If property taxes go up, she has to cover that too. Meanwhile, Ethan doesn't have to worry about any of those extra costs. Instead, he takes the money he's saving every month and consistently invests it into an S&P 500 index fund month after month, year after year. Thanks to the power of compound returns, his investments keep growing little by little.